Hello guys, welcome. Just a little update. There is currently a Cessna just that way over the crash scene. The airport has reinstated flights in and out that I know of, as I just saw Dash 8 take off. The weather is not that great right now, and I'm currently heading towards the crash scene. I've waited this amount of time, about half an hour, to allow the EMS and fire department to do their duties. So based on what I can gather so far, the plane looks to have veered off the runway quite a ways, because the plane ended up to my right, your guys' left, and yeah, not a fun time. Here's EMS or police right here. Hey, officer. Right there. I just passed the crash scene there. House looked completely obliterated, and yeah, it's not looking that good. I don't think I'm able to get any footage of it, but I'll go up to the airport, turn around with you guys here, and show you what I think kind of happened. So the airport's just out down the road, about 5, maybe 6 seconds here. The weather, as you can see, is partially cloudy. There is a 30-40 mile an hour wind, I'm guessing. It's hard to say. It's constantly changing, so at the time of the accident, it could have been anywhere from 45 crosswind to 10-degree crosswind. But just about up at the airport here. Smell of jet fuel hit me about 25-30 meters from the crash, and you can still smell jet fuel in the air. Oh, fuck. Pardon my language there. Just so potent, it's not even funny. Okay, so we're here at the airport, just out at Mike's Transmission. Kamloops, BC. So, see if I can get kind of where the runway is and give you guys, based off the knowledge of what I know. Oh, pretty sure there goes my mic. Not sure. I don't know, but mowing machines and stuff there. Alright. Gonna bring you guys back when I get out to the runway here. Yeah, there's a Cessna, old Cessna or Piper coming out right now. Just gonna wait for this truck to pass and we'll be right in line with the runway. So, okay, let's just walk up here a little bit. Alright, we're here at the airport, and as you guys can see here is so runway ATC. So the plane would have come off the runway, come up, and the crash site's over there. So somewhere between liftoff and crash scene is where she did her spiral. So pilots must have ejected somewhere in this airspace here, and the plane must have spiraled down over there. At what altitude, I do not know. And trajectory, I don't know. But the plane and the house are indistinguishable from one another. This is a sad time. Loss of a great plane and loss of lives here. Potential loss of lives that we're dealing with. Numbers I'm not sure of. But that's all I can gather for you guys today. I may be able to get a quick video if I ask the policeman nicely, and if so, I can, I'll add it in after this after this video here. So I'll let you guys go, and this is where I'll be editing in the video if I can get it, and or any pictures. Okay, bye.
Sunlight though, so you can see it. Once they get up in the air, just watch the plane that's highest up.
There they are, right there. Oh, he's spewing black. Oh.
See, he, for whatever reason, he just jets straight up and then arcs to the left.
Yeah.
Now if you watch, you'll see the ejection and then the crash.
Oh.
There's the ejection.
There's the crash. Oh.
And then if you watch a little bit longer, you'll see the cloud of smoke come up.
Ooh.
There it is.
Yeah, that's not shit.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that's.
The scary thing is, 6 months ago, I lived in that house.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't live that far from here. I lived on
Same landlord I have now. We just moved from this house to their other house.
Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely, close to home, and hope no one was home when the plane.
I don't know, I've heard so many conflicting reports that I can't speak to what went on with the house itself.
Yeah. But yeah, no, that's definitely, what I predicted. I, just gave based off the evidence that I had, and pretty accurate to what it was there, so.
I used to watch you walk by my house every day when I lived here.
I'm disabled, so
I actually go to the local RC Flying Club and Thompson Valley RC,
So I
the
don't know if you know
racetrack.
this, but you see that green tarp on top of that roof?
Yeah.
That's where the pilot landed.
Oh. well, could have wished for a softer landing, but
Yeah. No, this area is going to be shut down for probably a few days.
oh yeah, no, you have to get Transport Canada here. You have to get
Oh,
Crash.
they're all here.
Oh, they're already
Armed
all.
forces are here. They're all here.
Yeah, that's good. So, yeah, no, yeah, it's definitely
It's just a shame that there's not another vantage point.
yeah. I mean, if I had my if I had a drone, but too close to the airport and police right here, be kind of stupid.
Not to mention this would be restricted airspace right now,
Yes,
right? So
this airspace is shut down.
yeah.
See, I sometimes go over to a local park. I just have a little park flyer, and I just keep it below the power lines, and I haven't been called cops on. I haven't, had
Army
shit.
guy right there. There's the Air Force guy right there.
Yeah, Air Force is here. Oh God. This definitely is an interesting thing.
I'm very curious to see what they're going to say on the global news tonight.
So, thankfully, I was able to get a picture of the crash site. However, I was not able to get a clear picture. There was heavy police barricade, OCMP, and Air Force had even showed up, and the Transport Canada was either on their way or was already there. I hadn't had any official word. Thank you for watching this. I'm not able to tell if there was anyone injured or killed in this accident. Due to conflicting reports. So, unfortunately, I did my best, and you can kind of tell that, the pilots tried their best. May everyone